So, hi everyone, this is Sumanth. So, you have seen the hottest job in 21st century is data science. But why? So, in this video, let's discuss why this data science is one of the trending and as well as why there is more demand for the data scientists. So, before going to the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video as well. So before discussing why this field is emerging, before understanding that, you just want to know about the data. So according to the reports, around 2025, there will be 463 exabytes of data will be generated per day. So that's the amount of data will be generated in the future. And as well as even now, if you can see the social media platforms which we just have. For example, let's take Facebook. Every day there will be millions of posts on Facebook as well as millions of blogs, millions of messages. And if you just take YouTube, millions of videos will be uploaded daily and millions of comments, likes, everything is data. And if you just take Twitter, so even there we used to have a lot of data. So every day we used to buy a lot of items using Amazon, Flipkart, everything is data, right? So you just understood how much amount of data is being generated every day. So to convert this data, like these billions and millions of data available daily, to convert this to a useful information, to convert this to a meaningful insight, we just required someone who are just good at statistics, who are good at collecting the data, who can just perform the data analysis, who can just convert that raw data into a meaningful form. So every company from startup to product-based company or service-based company, everyone will store information, everyone will have information, but the persons who can just extract meaningful information from that data is less. So it's just a demand and supply. So every company has data, but the data scientists are in shortage. So that's the reason why the demand for data scientists is more. So yeah, we have just understood why the demand for data scientists is huge. So I will just tell you some case studies where some of the companies which are using the data available within them to improve their products, to improve their company. So one such example is Netflix. So according to the reports, 75% of the viewer activity is due to recommendation. So if you just go to Netflix, if you just watch any kind of series or movie, so then you will, similarly when you just open the app again, you will get some personalized recommendations, right? So you can just watch this kind of movies. For example, let's say if you are interested in horror kind of movies or let's say comic movies. So similarly when you just open in the next time, you will get similar kind of recommendations. So this is done using data science, right? So they will just extract your data, like what kind of movies you are just interested, what kind of movies you are just watching more, how much time you are just watching each genre. So they will just collect all this data and they will just use this raw data, they will just convert this into a meaningful insight. They will just feed it into a model and it will just suggest you similar kind of movies, right? So you can see 75% of the user activity is just due to recommendations. So you can see how the Netflix is growing its user base, growing its watch time using data, right? So that's the power of data and data science. And similarly, if you just take Amazon, so even if you just go and purchase a particular product and whenever you just come back, you will just get similar kind of recommendations. This is also a same kind of example. This is also done by using data and data science. So these are the well-known examples or well-known companies which are just using data, but it's not limited to these companies. If you can see, every company is having data and everyone wants to improve their product, everyone wants to reduce their expenses and improve their profits, right? So data science is one such field where you can just use the available data and make meaningful decisions. So in a nutshell, if you just want to explain the reasons for demand in data scientists, one, obviously the amount of data available, and the next thing is the demand and supply. So the data is available, but the persons who can just convert that to a meaningful information are less. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you feel so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. So with that, I will just see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.